Okay, so let's start doing it. Okay. Okay, maybe I will just review certain concepts, okay, from the video, okay, just to in case you forget what's going on. Wait, give me a minute. Okay, here. Valerie, what topic are you learning in school now? Valerie, what topic are you learning in school? What's that?
Life cycle.
Life cycles, okay, of plants or animals?
Insects.
Insects, okay. Insects, okay. How about who's that?
Cycles.
Ariano, what are you learning in school?
Cycles.
Life cycles, yeah?
Yeah.
Life cycles, okay. Then in that case, okay, life cycles, this topic is very easy. Have you started on matter?
No.
What's that?
No.
Not yet, right? Haven't started on matter, right?
Nope.
So matter is actually more difficult than life cycle, okay? And do pay very close attention, okay, when I'm teaching. And if you have questions, ask me as well, okay? All right? Okay or not, class? Okay.
Yes,
So let's look at the materials, okay? Review time, okay? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, right? Okay, has mass and occupies space, therefore it's called a matter, all right? Okay. And class, can you take out a notebook? Valerie and Ariano, remember the notebook that I asked you to prepare? Can you just write this flowchart just as a review, okay, as a chapter review, instead of just listening to me? Because some of you might drift, when you listen and we just listen. So right now, can you copy down this flowchart first, then I'll start to teach, yeah? How to differentiate matter from non-matter and the three forms of the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Okay, once you're done writing, let me know, yeah? Done writing, Valerie and Ariano? Valerie and Ariano, you done writing? Okay. Ariano, you done writing? Ariano, are you here? Ariano? You still writing, is it, Ariano? Okay, you're ready. Okay, come, let's start. Okay, so suppose you have to consider this thing that you have that you're looking at, okay? So if you're looking at light, okay, light or shadows, okay, you realize that they don't have mass, they don't occupy space, therefore it's not a form of matter. But suppose you look at, let's say, a bottle, okay, a bottle that's right in front of me, okay, or anything, okay, it could be even just another bottle, okay, metal bottle, okay. Do you realize that, okay, if it has volume, right, okay, you got to ask yourself, does it have definite volume? Okay, mean to say, can you compress it or not? Okay, if you can't compress it, right, then it can be a solid or a liquid. Okay, then the next question that you need to ask yourself is that, does it have a definite shape? Yes, because if definite volume, it can be liquid or solid, ma. So if it has definite shape, that's definitely a solid. Okay, and if it doesn't have a definite shape, like for example a liquid, then it is a liquid. And of course, if you can compress that substance, then it's definitely a gas. Any questions so far? Any questions? Okay, so with that very quick recap, let's start doing the questions now. Okay, so once done, can you type your answer in the chat, okay, for me to check, okay? Then I'm going to review the answer, all right? Okay, so I'm waiting for your answer in the chat group, okay? So if you're done, type your answer, okay? When you say the answer, right, you tell me the colored alphabets, A, B, C, or D, the colored ones, okay, not the one in the options, okay? Which of the following are common properties to solids, liquids, gases, okay? Okay, all of you have given me an answer C and B, let's see who's correct. Okay, solids, liquids, and gases, they all have mass, correct? Okay, tick your paper, okay, tick on your paper, yeah? And do they occupy space? Yes. Okay, that's why they are called forms of matter. Yes, they are states of matter. Okay, A, B, C, yes. Okay, definite shape and volume, no. This is only for solids. That's why the answer is A, B, and C. Here. Okay, Valerie, Ariano, be careful. Last week you made quite a few mistakes, okay? So be careful now. Can? Done? Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, let me just I need to get a fresh copy. Give me a minute. I need to get a fresh copy instead of showing you what the previous class did. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, yeah. Can you try the next question while I get my fresh copy out? Okay, give me a minute. Let me just get it out. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah. Um, okay, just give me a minute. Okay, this is the Sunday version. All right. Okay, here is the Sunday version. Okay, here. Okay, we're all ready. Okay, come. What's your answer for this one? Okay. Ariano says it's C, all right. Okay, option C. Then how about Valerie? Okay, Valerie says it's C as well. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so first of all, you have some ice and you put them in, okay, not ice, okay, but J, substance J, but in a solid state here, yeah? And then you put it inside this U-shaped container. 15 minutes later, all the solid melted. Okay, all the solid melted, and which of the following statements is or are true? Okay, so the statements are A, B, C, and D, all right? So let's just tick the correct ones, yeah? So J in the solid state has no definite shape. Is this true? Looking at here, answer is not true. This is not true, okay? Not true. It's not true. It has a definite shape. That's why it's all, it's all stacked up. It didn't take up the shape of the container, which is the U shape, all right? Next, J in the liquid state has definite volume. Is it mentioned in the information here? Okay, cannot tell from the information given. Okay, definite volume because you didn't try to compress it. Okay, so this one, can you write down a side note here beside statement B? Can't tell, okay? Cannot tell, okay, from experiment. Okay, you can't tell from the experiment. Okay, you cannot tell from the experiment for statement B. Now, let's look at statement C. J in the liquid state has no definite shape. Okay, look at J after it has melted, it takes up the shape of the container, right? So this is correct. Okay. All right. J in the solid state has no definite volume. No definite volume. Let me see. J in the solid state has no definite volume. It's definite volume. So this one cannot tell. So let me see what is the following. Which statements are true, yeah? A. Is there an answer? Let me check. J in the solid state has no definite shape. It has definite shape. Okay, so A is definitely false. J in the liquid state has a definite volume. But did we try to compress it? No, we didn't. So B cannot tell from the experiment. J in the liquid state has no definite shape. That's true. That's why it took up the shape of the container, yeah? J in the solid state has no definite volume. What's wrong with this? There's something wrong. How come there isn't an answer? J in the liquid state has definite volume. Let me see. But did you try to compress it? Class, can you write down a side note here? There is no possible answer. Only option, this one, C is correct. Okay, only option C here is correct. There's no answer to this question. Okay, I'll highlight to the writers. Okay, there's no answer to this question, yeah? No answer to this question, yeah? This question. Okay, but statement C is true. Okay, write this down, class. Statement C is true, yeah?